Adam Minot. Thank you very much for the latest there. And you can find out all the latest on the unfolding situation in Haiti as rescue efforts continue on the BBC News website. That is bbc.co.uk/Haiti. Let's have a look at the weather now with Helen. Hello.
Sophie, hello, good evening. Well, the thaw has started. However, we will still have some winter problems in the short term. We're warning this evening of ice, a fairly significant problem actually across Scotland where we've had fresh snowfall today. And further south through the night as temperatures fall away, we'll start to see some rain coming in off the Atlantic, freezing rain falling on frozen surfaces. So black ice, very treacherous indeed. The temperatures nowhere near comparable to last week's, but still cold enough, as I say, for ice to form fairly readily. And as well as that, foggy. So some quite treacherous conditions, I think, later tonight and first thing tomorrow morning. But gradually through the day, as that rain with some hill snow eases its way eastwards, it will start to peter out. So the afternoon looks a little drier. Still a few flurries around across Scotland. And still temperatures only just above freezing with a strengthening wind, I think quite raw. And it's going to be a long time before we lift that fog away. If we do, it'll lift onto the hills, so some dense patches here as well into the afternoon at only 4 or 5 in southern areas as well, and very little brightness on offer. I think it'll feel a pretty raw day if you're out and about. After some initial frost in southwestern areas first thing, 8 or 9 by the afternoon, so a fairly rapid thaw taking place, and we have to then concern ourselves about some local flooding as well. But the hill fog lasts, as you can see, across Wales, still a few flurries into the afternoon, and it remains fairly damp and dingy as well across Northern Ireland. Really quite a drab day for most of us and still quite cold. Now, more rain and hill snow comes through Friday night and into Saturday, but here the tightening packed isobars, the lines there, indicate some very windy weather. We haven't seen that for a while either. Potential for severe gales as well, pushing that rain and still some hill snow eastwards. So 4 or 5 and those gales, a pretty raw day, I think. The good news, I can promise some drier weather on Sunday, but even then the morning will promise some frost and some ice. So we're not totally out of the woods yet, Sophie.
Thank you very much.